right in the berries.
How is it so stretchy?
The one time I'm praying it's AI. From heartbreaking to heart attack.
They both gonna tell two different stories.
Scared the shit out of him.
Arthur Morgan in his prime.
Nuh-uh, my horse now.
The rest of that clip is even better.
We all know the dog did it on purpose.
His little bells, I'm dead.
Why was that combo so specific right there, though?
Papers.
Scissors. I win.
Technically, she's right.
She won fair and square.
In his brain is a stone.
Bro is boiled and fried.
Who allowed the boys to cook?
They cooked him.
Hi, can you do a takeaway for this?
For this,
Yeah.
say
Asian mother detected.
Didn't know they provide this service.
Excellent customer service, take my 20% tip. I know it's mean, but just laughed.
Then my head hit the wall. Bam.
Do it again. I said like Gordon Ramsay.
Okay, chill, brah.
It's made with love. It's made with violence.
He wasn't ready yet for his powers.
Man, I can fly. Door, me too.
Flying is not enabled on this server.
All my friends walk like this.
Same thing happens to me.
Last one is hilarious.
Where am I?
What was that?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Bro just died from that scream. The driver almost threw himself out of the window.
He said, "What was that?" without a question mark.
This happened enough that he immediately reacted.
5 seconds to understand this couple has a healthy relationship. I can't stop watching the old man has a big grin on his face.
Love how the old man is chewing one time before realizing what happened.
How my jaw dropped. Not as hard as him though.
It's AI, but still hilarious.
When you check if your girlfriend is still mad.
I want to see what happened next so bad.
That was an amazing throw though.
Cameraman 100 yards away, still running.
Can I have that lemon?
First and last date.
His patience level.
Nice way if you want to escape the date.
God forbid girl wants lemon.
Drops bigger than eyes.
No way people think it's cruel to give a pet medicine.
This is actually really dangerous because there's a chance the hamster could reach critical levels of cutie patootie.